guys, what's up? It's Dosha Pine. I am in my car, obviously, but not for long because I'm about to go get my hair done after 2 months. The last time I got my hair done was my big chop, which is fucking pitiful. But if you guys didn't notice, I got my nails done too, y'all. I'm just like really going up. Well, I don't know, I guess this is my 22nd year. It must be 22 in 3 weeks, but anyway, I'm about to go into the hair salon and I'm back at the same person I did my big chop. I waited way too long to get my hair cut and it's basically an afro now. So I'll see you guys inside and introduce you guys back to my hairstylist. See y'all inside.
Oh, here we go again.
We're back, guys. I'm gonna be a really good client this time.
Oh, Jesus.
So,
I hope so, because I got your mom after you. Jeez.
I'm probably gonna mute this anyway.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't need to hear nothing. Let's let them see.
So I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over even when you're gone.
Alright, guys. So, I'm under the steamer, and I don't know, I'll probably be under here for 15-ish minutes. I really don't know. But y'all, my earring came out. These nails, I can't do much of anything. Let's see if I can put it in. Like, literally, I forgot how to operate with nails. I probably won't. Literally. So this is about to be big chop part 2. Like, this is literally people's hair, wear their hair like this. So hopefully I'm not difficult again. I don't care this time. I mean, I did it once, I could do it again, right? I mean, you know. So, wow. Are you surprised at the growth? No? Are you surprised?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
I am.
Oh.
It has really grown out.
Oh my God. So soft. I can't believe it. Really, a couple inches, it'll be like a bob. Not a bob. Yeah, a bob. Alright, so see y'all when I guess we're cutting. It's kind of boring now.
So if you could lay your cards right down, I am waiting at the table. If you could show me love somehow, we don't need to have a label. You know that I will love you down. I will be ever faithful. If you could show me all the way around. not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The feel is your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. Oh, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show.
You need some cloth on her.
Oh, shit.
Oh, sticking.
You want a towel? You want to sit on the towel?
Actually,
I know you do. Drama queen.
so
Oh, my drama queen. Yeah, sit on the towel, Dosha. I'll give you a thicker towel to have a little cushion. There you
oh,
go.
thanks so much.
I want you around.
You been losing weight? Oh, you look funny. I hate that little funny self. You looking good. You been working out.
Sorry. I really did hurt though. Alright, hey guys, so I got done with my hair. Literally took like 3-4 hours because my hair is so thick. And as y'all seen, my hair grew so much. It's like a little emo. It was an emo bob. But anyway, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Also, shop my store, Pine Hutch. Everything's gonna be on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's all I have to say. Yeah, see y'all next Monday. Bye.